Hello everyone and welcome to Deano Outdoors. In this video, I'm going to introduce to you this E22 Pro electric scooter from Caroma. I'll do a quick unboxing to show you a little bit of assembly that you have to go through. I'll go over the specs of this scooter and then we'll take it out for a ride and see how well it handles. All right, let's go ahead and get this scooter out of the box. We'll go ahead and get it assembled and then we'll take it outside and give it a test. Comes in a pretty heavy duty box, packed nicely with foam. Take a look up close here. As you can see, the scooter is almost fully pre-assembled, with the exception of the handlebars. Be careful when cutting these zip ties. So that you do not cut any of the wires that go through the handlebars here. Lift up on the handle and then lock it into place. For the handles themselves, you're going to line that little pin up there with the hole on the handlebars here, and they'll click into place. Do the same thing with this handle here. All right, let's start off here with the specs. This is the model E22 Pro, 9-inch, in the matte black finish. This electric scooter has a 350 watt high torque output brushless motor, making it capable of 15.5 miles per hour and a max range of 20 miles. It's equipped with 9-inch honeycomb solid tires, making it perfect for on-road and off-road use. And has a 7.1-inch wide deck with a soft anti-slip rubber material. And the handlebars are also coated with a nice soft rubber grip. It feels a little bit sticky to the touch, so your hands aren't going to slip off. Does come with a nice little handy kickstand, and as you can see, there's reflectors on the front and the back, and it utilizes a rear shock for added comfort. Over on this side you have your controls. You have your speed control. You got minus and plus, which will control your speed setting here. On low, it's 6 miles per hour. Medium, 10 miles per hour. And then when you see the red button highlighted there, that's 16 miles per hour. You also have the option for a cruise control setting right here. So when you get up to speed, you just press that button in and it'll hold you at a set speed just like cruise control on your vehicle. To turn the headlight on, you just tap the button once. And now it shines a nice bright headlight for riding your scooter at dusk. And if you press and hold it in when it's already on, you'll hear another beep. That's going to add some ambient lighting to your scooter. When your scooter's in standby mode, it'll be pulsating like this. When you're riding it, it'll be a solid. And when you apply your brakes, you're going to see it flashing in a series like this. And the handlebars can be adjusted from 40 to 46 inches, accommodating any size adult. And let's not forget this last added safety feature. A little bell to alert others you're coming. Now let's go take the scooter for a test ride. All right, so our first test, we'll get up on the highway here and we'll test out each speed setting. So right now we got it set in the lowest setting here. We'll see how fast it goes. So it looks like 6 miles per hour. And we'll put her in the next setting, which is medium. We should see around 10. So that's right on at 10 miles per hour. And in the highest setting, we should get around 15 to 16. They say 15 and a half, but it's indicating a 15 miles per hour. So I don't know if that's actual speed or if that's all the higher that the readout goes out on this display. But we are getting 15 miles per hour according to the indicated readout on the display setting here. So now for our next test, we're going to go up this incline here and we'll see if it holds a 15 miles per hour and how well it does up this steep incline here. So let's give it a test, see if we can hit 15 on this uphill climb here. We're at 13, 14 and a half. So there you have it. We are doing 15 miles per hour going uphill on a pretty good incline. So it's a little bit steeper here now as we get towards the crest of the hill, and we're holding in at 14.6, 14.8. Pretty impressive for a 350 watt scooter. We'll get to the top of this hill here. We'll turn around and then we'll head back down and see if we can get over 15 miles per hour or if the indicator on the display only goes to 15. So here we go. Let's head down this hill and see what kind of speeds we can get it. Okay, so it's showing 15 miles per hour even going downhill, so I'm thinking that's max indicated speed on our display here. This is a really bumpy road here, pretty rough. It's an older road, and with that rear suspension, it seems to absorb a lot of the bumps and shock on your body. So it's a fairly smooth riding scooter. And the fact that it has a non-slip platform for your feet is also an added benefit, so your feet don't slip off. As you can see here today, it is foggy. We're in December here. The roads are wet, it's damp out. But with this platform down here being rubber, it's non-slip, and that helps keep your feet planted and secure in place. I do have the headlights on for safety, as well as the bottom running lights, which are pretty cool because they do pulsate with the brakes. So at nighttime, it's going to be a pretty nice looking ride. hard holding onto the camera here with one hand, but I hope you guys are enjoying the Here's another good example of an incline hill here. We'll try up this hill here. This one here gets a little steeper right at the top. So we'll see what we can do here. And this road here is also very rough. You can definitely feel that rear suspension helping on these bumps here. It absorbs some of the impact. And we're doing 15 miles per hour indicated speed here yet up this hill, so that's pretty decent. Alright, let's turn around and then we'll go do some off-roading on the gravel driveway and see how well that performs. Alright, let's do some off-roading here. I'm going to put her down to middle speed. See how well it handles gravel. And then we got a slight uphill climb here. No problems handling this uphill. Let's go take it off-road here. Try it out on the lawn and see how well it performs. Pretty rough out here, but as you can see, it will go through the grass as well. So it can go off-road. It does lack a little bit of power going through the grass, but my lawn is kind of soft here. We've got a lot of moisture with all the rain we've been having lately. So you can go through lawns. It does work really well though, going on gravel and obviously on blacktop as well. Well, thanks for joining me today. I hope you guys found this video informational as well as helpful. With the scooter's quick fold design, it makes it convenient to take it with you anywhere. If you guys are interested in checking out this product, I'll have a link down in the description. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave those in the comments section. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.
With their nails done now.